What's going on, folks? Coming at you with this self-cleaning dog brush. Pretty cool, right? Pull this little trigger here. Now comes the brush. You push it down, and look, all the hair is collected and easy, much easier to pull off than the standard one of these, where you've got these long whiskers and then you've got all the hair down embedded in the bottom of them, right? And you got to spend your time trying to clean that all out. Whereas this, you just pull it back and literally brings everything to the front. It's so easy to clean it. I'm actually doing that with one hand, right? So here's the big question, though. How does Coco Bella feel about this? And there's only one way to find out. Let's do this. I'm thinking she's feeling a little pampered right now. Oh, yeah. What do you think, Coke? You like that? Huh? Good girl, huh? You're a good girl, Coke. You're a good girl. Pretty girl. I think we're going to have to put you on a diet. Let me see that. Oh, you look so pretty, Coco. So there you have it, folks. Oh, yeah, now she's going to follow me here. You want more of that, huh? You want more of that? All right. Good girl. Yes. I would say this is a big winner. Coco seems to love it, right? Makes her feel good. And very, very easy to clean the excess hair off of the brush. So, all in all, this is a winner, right? This is a winner. Okay, Coco. All right.